Sabi sa Deuteronomy 11 verse 18, "So commit yourselves wholeheartedly to these words of mine. Tie them to your hands and wear them on your forehead as reminders." Grabe yung command ni Lord sa kung paano dapat natin tratuhin yung salita niya. It's very clear that if you want to live life to the fullest, then you have to live by His Word, by the Word of God. At dahil dito, it also exposes the danger that you will face if you go against His will. Itali mo sa kamay mo, isuot mo sa ulo mo para kahit saan ka pumunta, hindi mo makakalimutan. God was very intentional and He was actually telling us the secret of life. Yung sikreto na yun, matatagpuan lang sa Kanya at hindi sa iba. By staying in the Word of God, you will be protected. You will have peace and you will be filled by love. Tututo ka ring makontento sa kung anong meron ka because you know that you have Him. Pero sa kabilang banda, paano naman pag wala sa'yo yung salita ng Diyos? That will be a very big problem kasi lahat ng kabaligtaran ng narinig mo ngayon, yun ang haharapin mo, yun ang sasapitin mo. Just imagine a life without love, peace, and contentment. And masyado kang magiging apektado sa mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. You do not have protection. Ang dali-dali mong mag-alala. Ang dali-dali mong matakot. Ang dali-dali mong magduda. And as a result, you will make wrong decisions after wrong decisions after wrong decisions. Yan ang mangyayari if wala si Lord sa puso mo. If you do not know His Word and His instructions are very clear. Kahit saan ka magpunta, dalin mo yung salita ko. Because that is the only way to live life to the fullest. At sana naiintindihan niyo yung message ng video na to.